Have you visited Kenya before? Did you try ugali while you were there? If not, then you haven't truly experienced the heart of Kenya. Ugali is more than just food. It's the energy behind Kenya's world-famous marathon runners and a meal loved in every home. So when you come to Kenya, don't just go on safari. Taste the heartbeat of the country. If this is your first visit, put ugali at the top of your to-do list. Ugali is a simple meal. You can easily make it yourself, even in your own country. All you need is water, cornmeal, and a little butter. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 1 cup of cornmeal and whisk quickly until it's smooth. Gradually add more cornmeal until the mixture thickens. Using a solid wooden spatula or turner, continue cooking as shown in the video. You can see that ugali is not difficult to cook. After you taste it in Kenya, try cooking it at your own home and you will be excited how good it tastes, and share it with your friends. You can see that more cornmeal is added until it thickens, then you can use the spatula to cook it from there. Lower the heat slightly and keep stirring until it's fully cooked. Press the edges gently to shape it into a dome. Cover the bowl with a plate, flip it over, and there it is. Your ugali is now ready. All you have to do is to shape it the way you like. You can now shape it nicely on the plate and serve. In Kenya, ugali is most often eaten with a rich beef stew called mchuzi wa nyama. It's usually served with a green vegetable like sukuma wiki, made from collard greens or kale. Ugali is very flexible. You can enjoy it with your own meat stew, vegetable stew, fish stew, or even peanut stew. And when you arrive in Kenya, ugali will be calling your name. Just be ready to answer.